How to charge your DJI Mic Mini. So if you're trying to charge your DJI Mic Mini, it is rather quite simple. Now there are two variants. The first is the 1X variant. Now if you bought the one with two transmitters, then you will most likely get a charging box where you can also put these items. Unfortunately, mine one was actually the 1X variant, so mine came with a pouch. But what we can do to still charge this is DJI Mic will actually give us this little adapter or this cable, I would say. Here you can see two Type-C cables, which is the Type-C port, and the other is to the USB Type-A. Here you can see this little dock. This is a charging dock for the transmitter. So just you can see this little part at the back of the transmitter. You simply put them like this. So let me just go ahead and do that. You simply hold them out and put them like this, right? So they get attached magnetically, as you can see. And now at the back of this, you can see a Type-C one. At the back of the receiver also, you can see a Type-C charging port. So what we do is we connect both of these ends over here. Now first, let me just connect this to a power adapter right here. I'll just go ahead and connect this one to the adapter, and I'll go ahead and plug this in, and I'll just turn it on. Now to charge it, I just go ahead and then plug in my receiver to charge it, and then I charge in my transmitter as well. And once I've done this, as you'd be able to see, when it's charging, it is going to be blinking in green like this as for the transmitter. As for the receiver also, it will get constantly blinking in green. So this way you know that they're actually charging. Now if yours came with a box, then you can put all these items in one box and charge that box by itself. Either way, I hope the video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.